In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily edit about information in your Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook application. After that, go to menu, tap at that arrow, and first off we need to switch from our main Facebook profile to a page. Once you've done that, go to your page, and then right here we can tap at about, and then we need to scroll down and tap at edit public details. That's where we can change any information about our page. We can change profile picture, avatar, cover photo, and bio. It is kind of a description of your page, so you can hit at edit, then edit info, and then you can add a description to your page. Once you've done that, just do not forget to tap at save. And also you can edit any details. Just hit at edit, and then you will be able to change category, to change contact info. You can add your address, phone number, email, and also you can edit your basic info. Just keep in mind that once you have made any changes, you need to hit at save to save them. That's how you can easily edit about information in Facebook page.